Tim Smith with North Dallas Renovations.
And Kyle Smith. One reason that we move forward with Aspire is because of the concentration and the focus just on the renovation and construction side of things. You can get business mentors in any facet, but not that are purely focused on your industry. So that was really what turned us on to Aspire and got us to sign up.
Yeah, I think it was like having your own CEO, right? Is somebody that already knew the pitfalls and what to do and what not to do. And
there's a lot of business coaches and mentors and all of that, but they're very generic and very broad. And so, I think having the expertise of the coaches and Fred and these guys with construction backgrounds that have been there and done that and learned what to do and what not to do was definitely centric in getting us to go with Aspire versus some of those other guys.